All right, so I'm gonna take this off. If you notice this side, how it's not showing, all you have to do is get a pliers and just twist it. Just turn it until you're able to see this clamp. Then you use your screwdriver and work it. It's best to use a small screwdriver, but this is what I got in hand right now. You put it up, pop it out, work it down, and it just snaps right off. That's that. So you just pull that off, and you come up here, and you pull this up. So that's it. To reuse it, if you want to reuse it, you just put it back on there like that. Put the clamp back on, snap it in place, and then you just push it back down. That's it. All right. Hopefully this helps somebody.